Now we will see the examples from seventh example. Complete the following activity to solve the quadratic equation. Root of 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root of 2 by factorization method. Now that means you have to given the total example by solving. We have to complete only the fill in the blanks. That means you have to complete activity. Examples can be solved by previous method of factorization method, say by same method. Now here coefficient of square term is greater than 1, which is given root of 2. Therefore we take the product of root of 2 and constant of 5 root of 2. Root of 2 into root of 2, 2, 5 as it is, 5 2s are 10. Now root of 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root of 2 factorize 10 as 5 2s are, all terms are positive, therefore we take plus plus sign. Therefore factors of this 7x can be written as 5x plus 2x. Now from the first two terms x gets common, here remaining in bracket is root of 2x. From 5x x gets common 5. This root of 2x plus 5 as it is in second bracket. Now root of 2x plus 5, this bracket gets common. Root of 2x plus 5 into x plus root of 2 is equal to 0, and therefore root of 2x plus 5 is equal to 0, or x plus root of 2 is equal to 0. Now this plus 5 gets converted to minus, and multiplied root of 2 gets converted to division. Therefore x is equal to minus 5 upon root of 2, and or x is equal to minus root of 2. Therefore roots of the quadratic equation are minus 5 upon root 2 and root of minus 2. That means complete the activity. What is given? Root of 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root of 2. Root of 2x square. Here coefficient of square term is greater than 1. Therefore we take the product of coefficient and constant term. Root of 2 into 5 root of 2. Root of 2 into root of 2, 2. 5 as it is. 5 2s are 10. Factorize it. 5 into 2, 10. 5 plus 2, 7. Therefore root of 2x square plus 7x means 5x plus 2x plus 5 root of 2. From this x gets common, remaining is root of 2x plus 5. From this root of 2 gets common, again remaining the same bracket root of 2x plus 5. Now root of 2x plus 5 bracket gets common, remaining is x plus root of 2. Root of 2x plus 5 is equal to 0, or x plus root of 2 is equal to 0, and therefore x is equal to minus 5 upon root 2, or x is equal to minus root of 2, which are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Then next example is given 3x square minus 2 root of 6 plus 2 is equal to 0. Again the coefficient of square term is greater than 1, therefore we take the product of that and constant term, that is 3 2s are 6. Now we take the product, we find the two factors that their product is 6 and addition is minus 2 root of 6. Addition is root of 6, therefore root of 6 is common in both the factors. Therefore product plus addition minus, therefore signs are minus minus. Root of 6 into root of 6, 6. Product we get, but here coefficient is 2, therefore we take here 1 and 1. 1 plus 1, 2. And therefore we factorize it. Root of 3x square minus 2 root of 6x. This minus 2 root of 6x can be written as minus root of 6x minus root of 6x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now factorize it. Sorry, here 3x square. Now 3x square can be written as root of 3 into root of 3x square, minus root of 6 can be written as root of 3 into root of 2. Root of 6 again can be written as root of 3 into root of 2, and this 2 can be written as root of 2 into root of 2. Now from the first two terms, root of 3 and x gets common. From this root of 3 into root of 3 gets common, remaining is root of 3. From x square x gets common, remaining is x. From second term, root of 3x gets common, remaining is root of 2. And we write same bracket after some distance of that bracket, and in the place in between these two brackets we write the remaining term of the third term. Now root of 3x gets common, remaining terms are minus root of 2 is equal to 0. Again same bracket gets common, root of 3x minus root of 2 into second bracket, root of 3x minus root of 2 is equal to 0, and therefore root of 3x minus root of 2 is equal to 0, or root of 3x minus root of 2 is equal to 0, and therefore root of 3x minus root of 2 gets converted to plus, and therefore root of 3x, to find the value of x, multiplied root of 3 gets converted to division, therefore value of x is root of 2 upon root of 3. Similarly, values are same, therefore again the value of x, second value of x we get same, root of 2 upon root of 3, and therefore solution is equal to root of 2 upon root of 3 and root of 2 upon root of 3, and that is the example number 8. In this example, you have to give one in middle bracket, middle term root of 6, which is common to both in addition. Therefore, we firstly take the coefficient of square term as 1. It is greater than 1. Therefore, we take 3 and 2. 3 2s are 6. And therefore, product is 6. Addition is 2 root of 6. Therefore, we factorize it. Root of 6 gets common in both the factors because sum is 2 root of 6. Therefore, minus root of 6 minus root of 6, these are the factors. 3x square minus root of 6x minus root of 6x plus 2. This 3 can be written as root of 3 into root of 3. This 2 can be written as root of 2 into root of 2. And therefore, root of 2 into root of 2. Therefore, root of 3x gets common from first two terms. Remaining is root of 3x minus root of 2. And then same bracket gets common, root of 3x minus root of 2. Now, third term, from third term, remaining term is root of minus root of 2. Again, root of 3x minus root of 2 bracket gets common. In second bracket, we write the remaining terms, root of 3x minus root of 2 is equal to 0, and therefore root of 3x minus root of 2 is equal to 0, or root of 3x minus root of 2 is equal to 0. Minus gets converted to plus. Root of 3x is equal to root of 2 multiplied to 3, root of 3 gets converted to division. Here root of 3x is equal to again is equal to root of 2 multiplied 3, root of 3 gets converted to division, and therefore solution is root of 2 upon root of 3 and root of 2 upon root of 3. Now next example is 2m into bracket m minus 24 is equal to 50. Firstly, write the given equation in standard form of the quadratic equation. For that, we solve the bracket. 2m into m, 2m square minus 24 to the 48m plus 50 gets converted to minus is equal to 0. All these three terms are multiple of 2. Therefore, divide by 2 to both the sides to simplify it. M square minus 24m minus 25 is equal to 0. We divide all these three terms by 2 because we get the smallest value, that means the simplest form of the quadratic equation, such that we can easily solve the example. Now coefficient of square term is greater than square of coefficient of square term is perfectly 1. Therefore we take directly as a constant of minus 25. Now product is minus, addition is minus. Therefore we write here minus and plus. Factorize it 25. 25 1 the 25. 25 into 1 25. 25 minus 1 24. Therefore m square minus 25m plus 1m minus 25 is equal to 0. M gets common. Remaining is m minus 25. Now m minus 25 bracket gets again, we write it after some distance in middle, in the place in between these two brackets we write the remaining term of the third term, that is plus 1. Now m minus 25 and m plus 1 is equal to 0. M minus 25 is equal to 0 or m plus 1 is equal to 0. Minus 25 gets converted to plus, plus 1 gets converted to minus, and therefore solution is 25 and 1. Now next example is 25 m square is equal to 9. Firstly, 25 m square plus 9 gets converted to minus. If we say the example, in this the middle term with the coefficient variable is not given, then in this type of examples we use the formula of a square minus b square as a plus b, a minus b. In the examples in which the middle term with the variable is not given, then in all that examples we use the formula a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. 25m square can be written as 5m square, 9 can be written as 3 bracket square. Therefore, instead of A we write 5m, instead of B we write 3. Therefore, we get 5m plus 3 and 5m minus 3 is equal to 0. And therefore, 5m plus 3 is equal to 0, or 5m minus 3 is equal to 0, plus 3 gets converted to minus, multiplied 5 gets converted to division, minus 3 upon 5. Now minus 3 gets converted to plus, multiplied 5 gets converted to division, and therefore solution is minus 3 upon 5 and plus 3 upon 5. In this example, 5m square minus 9, middle term with the variable is not given, and in that type of the example we always use the formula a square minus b square as a plus b a minus b. That for that we write the first term as the square term and second term as the square term. Therefore 25m square can be written as 5m bracket square, 9 can be written as 3 bracket square. Therefore instead of a write 5m, instead of b write 3. Therefore 5m plus 3, 5m minus 3 is equal to 0. 5m plus 3 is equal to 0, or 5m minus 3 is equal to 0. Plus 3 gets converted to minus, and here minus 3 gets converted to plus. To find the values of m, multiplied 5 gets converted to division in both, and therefore we get the solution minus 3 upon 5 and plus 3 upon 5. Next example is 7m square is equal to 21m. Again, this plus 21 gets converted to minus. If we see this example, in these two terms are given with the variable and constant term is not given. Then in this type of example, in which the variable terms are given, constant term is not given, then we take the common term from both the first two terms. From 7m square minus 21m, 7m gets common. Why? Because 7 and 21 are the multiple of 7, and therefore from this 7m square, 7m gets common, remaining is m, minus from 21m, 7 gets common, remaining is 3, is equal to 0. 7m is equal to 0, or m minus 3 is equal to 0. Multiplied 7 gets converted to division, therefore 0 upon 7, that is 0. Minus 3 gets converted to plus, and therefore solution is 0 and 3. And then next example is m square minus 11 is equal to 0. Again in this example, the middle term with the variable is not given as that of the 10th example. Therefore we write it in the form of a square minus b square as a plus b minus b. Therefore m square can be written as m bracket square, minus 11 can be written as root of 11 bracket square is equal to 0, and therefore instead of a we write m, instead of b we write root of 11. Therefore m plus root of 11 into bracket m minus root of 11 is equal to 0. Therefore m plus root of 11 is equal to 0, or m minus root of 11 is equal to 0, and plus gets converted to minus, and minus gets converted to plus, and therefore solution is minus root of 11 and plus root of 11. This is the example as that of the 10th example in the form of a square minus b square. Here 11 is not a perfect square, therefore we write root of 11 bracket square. Therefore m square minus root of 11 bracket square is equal to 0. Write in the form of a plus b a minus b, that is m plus root of 11 m minus root of 11 is equal to 0. M plus root of 11 is equal to 0, or m minus root of 11 is equal to 0. Plus gets converted to minus, minus gets converted to plus, and therefore solution is minus root of 11 and root of 11. And here we complete the practice set 2.2. I think you better understand these examples. If you understand this, then like and share and subscribe my channel.